Folks, I've done it again. The most delicious organic salmon air fryer. About 12 minutes. That's a big old salmon too. Um, Sweet potatoes, yellow squash, pickled jalapeños, a lot of butter on everything, a lot of salt and pepper, garlic powder, a little cayenne on the salmon. Come on. That's that Zeusy boy stew right there. We're going to watch a little Theo Von, Aaron Brockovich while we eat. Air fryer. Been a while since I've taken you guys on a walk with me. Guess we'll also see how good this little wind protector is on the microphone. Getting a little afternoon walk with the vest on after dinner. Come on.